Hi, this is Dr. Shark with Shark Holistic Health, and this is my basic tapping video. So I'm going to go through the whole series at the beginning, explain it in detail, and then go through it at the end. So we're just going to go through first. Okay, that's the whole sequence. It takes about a minute and a half to go all the way through, and the best time to do that is anytime you're wound up, right before taking supplements, right before eating, right before and after something stressful, before bed. So, what are the key points? One is the rhythm. The rhythm should be like a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can count that in your head if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to tap a little bit harder on the 1. If you want to calm down, you're feeling really keyed up, you're anxious, you're over-energized, you're going to bed, you're going to want to go slow. So the series I just did was pretty fast. That's more for I'm at work, which I am, and I want to focus, right? So if I want to go slow, I'm going to do more of a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Another key point is all your fingers should be touching wherever you're tapping. So not just a couple of fingers. Try to get lined up so that all of your fingers and thumbs hit when you tap. So all 10 fingers. Your mouth should be a little bit open. This keeps you from clenching. So you're not trying to give a lot of hard focus. So your mouth should be a little bit open and you just let a sound out. Doesn't matter what the sound is. The tone doesn't matter. My tone might be higher or lower than whatever naturally comes out of your mouth. Not important. So those are the key pieces. The sequence, you're basically moving top to bottom through the torso and then kind of center to end in the arms. So the sequence is top of head, center line, you like draw a line up your nose, straight down the center, and you're going to try to get all 10 fingers on that line. That's the top. So that's the top. Then we go to eyebrow. Again, you're trying to get all 10 fingers. Your thumbs are going to end up landing kind of close to your temples. Doesn't matter exactly, right? You're trying to get on this bony ridge here. Eyebrow. Then you're just going to move laterally straight to the temple, all 10 fingers squishing in together so that they can tap temples. Then we're just going to move all the way around to the back, right where the lower part of the bony part of the skull is. I'm going to tap with the side of the hand, like a karate chop side of the hand on the back, kind of covering a large area there. Then we move back around front and down just a little to the cheekbone, and you're going to be vertical on the cheekbone like this. Cheekbone. Then we're going to move on to the top teeth. Again, all 10 fingers. So the thumb's going to be a little further out. Top teeth. And then bottom teeth, same thing. And we're kind of hitting on the gums, above and below the teeth there. That's where we're tapping on those. Then you come down again, you find your collarbones, and under the collarbone, there's kind of a little spot where it goes in here. That's where you're going to be getting all your fingers into that little hollow there. Then there's the sides. For the sides, you've got your arms down, and you're going to bring them up with the thumb side close to your body, like this, just as high as you comfortably can, and you're hitting on the ribs there with the side of your hand, this side of your hand. Then we're going to go into the middle of the wrist here. Both sides more or less there. Going to covers a large area. All right, so these two together, there. Then we're going to go with the thumb side of the hands, and all of this is going to tap on both sides like that. And then we flip and we do pinky side of the hand, so all of this is going to tap like that. And then you're just going to do hands together. It's just integrating your two sides together. Kind of come into the center against your chest so your thumbs are touching your chest. Press in a little bit. And then you just take a breath there and let those two sides integrate. So that's the sequence and the slow version. So we're going to go back through the whole thing again with a slower rhythm. So here we go. And that is it. Happy tapping.